Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Audi A5 2.0T Quattro Premium Plus. This two-door convertible has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi is a great value with less than 43,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include comfort package, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.